What's good, yo? Welcome to Lit Lampin with Jeanette, where the food is lit and your mouth made water.
Mom, what are you doing on the set?
It's time to get lit, but you're late.
Fine, we'll just do this together then.
Welcome to
Lit Lampin with Genie, where the food is lit and your mouth just made water. So today we'll be showing you guys how to make some vegan calamari. Is it calamari?
Calamari, potato.
So today we'll be showing you guys how to make some vegan calamari.
Ooh, vegan calamari. Wow, I actually love calamari.
Then we'll show you guys how to make it on your own. So for our first major ingredient, we'll be using some oyster mushrooms. You can find this at your local Asian market. They'll usually have this at the produce section. We're gonna wanna marinate that in some lemon juice to kind of get that seafood lemon calamari feel. So this is like a good meat substitute for calamari because it's pretty like spongy and squishy. So it works pretty well to get that desired look. So the flavor we're aiming for is jerk season, so Caribbean jerk season flavor. So we have our jerk seasoning here as well. So we're gonna just put that inside of here. We're gonna be adding some ginger garlic paste.
For our vegetarian eaters, they wouldn't actually really miss the calamari taste because it has a nice meaty texture. When I was pulling all the mushroom apart, it had like a meaty texture, so which works really well. Lots of flavors, ginger and jerk seasoning.
So after you have marinated these delicious smelling oyster mushrooms, oh my gosh, take a look at that. So after you marinated it, you're going to want to create a batter mix. So you're going to want to take some flour, cayenne pepper, paprika, and salt, and mix that all up and create a nice batter mix. You are then going to want to separate it into 2 bowls. So it'll be a 2 batter step kind of process, like double batter it up, you know what I'm saying? But for this one, since we are doing it vegan, we are going to be using some egg replacer. So what we have here is some powdered egg replacer powder, and we just mixed it in with water, so it kind of gives that eggy consistency and will allow the mushroom to kind of stick. So Mom, have you tried any other vegan foods or anything?
Actually, yeah, Jenny, last night I went to this little, actually Mediterranean restaurant. Last night I decided to, since I just started my vegetarian diet, so I decided to go with the pita wrap, falafel pita wrap, and it was amazing, actually. Garbanzo beans in there with the wrap, lots of good flavors. It did fill me up. I had it with some fries. So listen to this though. The other day the whole country's been going crazy about Popeye's chicken sandwich. So I actually was in line for about 30 minutes at Popeye's. 30 minutes.
What happened?
30 minutes in Popeye's.
What happened at Popeye's?
In the drive-thru
time for you guys. What happened?
Yeah, in the drive-thru I was in line, and this couple walked by my car and said, "The chicken sandwiches are gone." I thought it was a joke. I'm like, nuh-uh. And then the lady was like, "Oh yeah, look." She turned around. They thought I was going to turn around. And so after 30 minutes getting to the drive-thru, guess what? There's a big sign on the drive-thru window that says, "We're out of chicken sandwiches." Sorry. So I'm actually finally
So are there any cool vegan Are there any cool vegan dishes that you've seen online that you're like, damn, that's vegan? What? I could do that.
Actually, I've been seeing a lot of stuff that you've been cooking, and it's been actually. I really want to say that you actually inspired me to eat healthier. I might say you did inspire me. So, yeah.
Yeah. A steak after. What happened to those ribs you had in your fridge?
I decided to turn vegetarian. What was I saying? I had a brain fart, guys.
So this is the final look of that coating mix. So you just want to make sure your pieces are thoroughly coated. I am then going to add some black pepper on top just for a little bit more taste.
I could use white pepper too.
Whatever pepper.
Yeah.
All peppers matter.
Pepper, pepper. Pepper lives matter.
So you just want to make sure that you are heating your pan as you are doing this just to save some time. We're going to get to the kitchen and show y'all how to roll.
Stay tuned, guys. Don't go away. Okay, so now we're gonna turn them. You don't want them to burn. You want them to be just golden brown and crispy.
So we have just finished our vegan calamari. Oh my gosh, check this out. Oh my goodness. My mom is surprised this turned out like this.
It looks like chicken wings.
We basically have a side of some tartar sauce and some cocktail sauce to dip it in. I'm gonna get munching. So dig in. Nice
Let me try the
crisp.
tartar first.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys noticed when I took a bite of this, how it just, the consistency. You won't miss meat.
It tastes like a healthy calamari, like, yeah.
Absolutely.
Same consistency, but just no, yeah.
And it's mushroom, guys. Mushroom. Who would have thought? I never thought this would have tasted like this. Let me try the tartar sauce. This is really good. This is really good.
If you guys like this recipe or interested in trying it at your home, be sure to like this video. If it's your first time here, be sure to subscribe. Stay in the loop every time we post.
Like, share, and subscribe.
See y'all later.
Alligator.
It's not bad.
It's good. This is actually good.
Imagine ordering it though, it'd probably be like the price of it at a restaurant. Like a vegan
This is
restaurant.
probably what?
Wow.
12. No, actually, it's an appetizer. They probably wouldn't do all this. They're probably, what, a cheesecake? Maybe 4 of these for like $12.99.
Mom, what are you doing on the set?
It's time to get lit, but you're late.
Okay, I'm gonna try it one more time, okay?
Hey guys, welcome to Lit Lampin with Jeanette, where the food is lit and your mouth may make you shut up.
Okay.